If you think of yourself as a creative original or think, oh, I'd love to be a creative original, I'm gonna have you watch me right now build that outfit from the bottom up with our friend Anna. Hi, Anna.
Hi.
I'm so glad you're here. Now, all of these things were in Anna's closet, and so she considers herself a creative original. And so what we're gonna do is we're actually going to start a little differently than we do with other style personalities. We're actually gonna start with her layering piece. On the other clothing personalities, the first two that I don't know if you watched those or not, but the pure natural and the classic modern, we started with their shoes. In this case, we're gonna start with a layering piece, all right? All right, so I'm gonna grab one, and I had Anna choose two in her wardrobe, and we're gonna put this on you. Now remember, you can build any outfit into a style personality just by starting with the basics. So you're starting with your jeans and your tops. As you noticed in the overview, every one of them had basic pieces on. You have basic pieces in your wardrobe. Now, if you'll notice, it's interesting because on Anna's black t-shirt, it had a little crisscrossy. And so some of them were a little more plain and she had crisscrossy. She was bringing her creative original personality into even your basic piece. So that's wonderful. All right, so this is a fabulous jacket. Where did you get this?
At a boutique in Asheville.
At a boutique in Asheville, North Carolina. And so you can imagine the most artsy, creative people live there. I would bet they have some fabulous boutiques to find some wonderful things. And so we have this jacket on her, and all of a sudden, she looks creative and artsy. Now let's add some shoes. And so the shoes that Anna brought were very high wedges. How tall are you?
Maybe 5'1".
Maybe 5'1". I'm maybe 5'11". So we're gonna pick one of these, and since you have black t-shirt on, let's go ahead and put those booties on. If she didn't have a black t-shirt on, or if you don't have a black t-shirt on, I want you to choose shoes that match your hair. And so just like Anna has a lighter complexion and a lighter hair color, you can do the same with your shoe color. So if you have dark brown hair, I want your basic shoes to be dark brown, or your basic boots to be dark brown. Whatever your hair color is, you want to make sure that you've got clothes and shoes, or not clothes, but shoes in your closet that coordinate with your hair. Do you see the shoe color that I have on today? Yes, they coordinate with my pant, but even if I had jeans on, I would wear that color shoe because it matches my hair and coordinates. So when you're out shopping and you're only going to buy one pair of shoes, if you don't have something in your wardrobe that matches your shoes, that matches your hair, make sure that you do that, whether it's shoes or boots. All right, so I'm gonna put these shoes down. All right, how great does this outfit look? And now we're gonna build on this look that she has. So let's get some earrings on you. And so as I look in your jewelry case, I love this because as I look at your jewelry case, and we had each of the models who are here today, and if you're watching any of the other clothing personalities, you'll see that we layered their accessories inside this tray. And your jewelry just looks creative. And so pull out some of your favorite pieces in your closet, in your jewelry closet, and layer them. Get rid of the pieces that you're not using. Pull out the pieces that you love and wear those. And so as I look at this, I think what I'm gonna do is bring this piece and put this on you. And so I'm gonna stand behind you and if you'll just, no, I got it, I think. Put this right here. All right, so let's see, that is fabulous. All right, so she's got a creative necklace on, earrings. We're gonna put on just some basic, because this is so colorful and artsy, let's just add a basic hoop or a basic gold pair of earrings. And so it's interesting because she doesn't have a basic pair of hoops. in her jewelry. So I would recommend that go ahead and get a pair of those, just because then she could wear them with any of her necklaces, just like you could as well. But she's got a really unique pair of gold, kind of filigree gold earrings. All right, so go ahead and put those on. While you're doing that, I'm going to find a bracelet for you. And this is great because this bracelet actually is the same kind of, not filigree, but it's kind of an antique gold, which is what the filigree is in her earrings. But we'll have her put this on. And this purple kind of picks up the purple here. So let's put this on your okay, either arm, whichever arm you want. You don't wear a watch, do you? No, okay, so if you don't wear a watch, typically it's like you go to the left hand or the watch hand to put your bracelet on. So that's okay, I wouldn't do another, that's enough right there. And how about a ring? Shall we put a ring on? Let's do that. This is, I don't know that this is pretty creative, and that matches the stone that's up there. Wonderful. She is a creative original, and you probably could go any place in this and feel comfortable, right? Oh, yeah. That's how you build to a creative original. You find artsy, creative, interesting, unique layering pieces, and then build from there. Do a little turn so they can see what you look like from the back. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's amazing. Looks so good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the layering piece. Let's go ahead and take that off. And I am going to pick up another layering piece that you had in your closet. And let's go ahead and put that down. Let's put this on. It's a simple kimono that changes up her entire outfit. Let's go ahead and take this necklace off. I'm going to have you lift your hair a little. We will take this necklace off and see what we can add to this. Let's go ahead and lay this down. Honestly, I'm not even going to add anything to it because the neckline on her top really gives it enough interest. She could put on some more, maybe some fancier earrings, something like this that has a little more artsy kind of look to them. But this completely changes the look and gives it a whole other piece. You might have a white t-shirt in your wardrobe and you put the white underneath. That works too. Any two basic pieces will work. What you want to do is remember it's all about the add-ons and the layering pieces. Do a little turnabout so they can see that. Fabulous. Just wonderful.